Hi, I'm Devin,
I'm Val.
and we just got done with our first Razzle class.
What's a razzle class? Yeah, we didn't know either. It's a dance class that has historical Broadway movie and standard tunes from the 1930s on up. So we did everything from what were some of our first songs? Okay, one of our last songs was a Michael Jackson song,
Yes,
and we did the Can Can, and we did
Fred Astaire or something.
we did a Fred Astaire something or other, and it was a lot of fun.
We had cool hats, and we got canes, and we had little scarves we could be all sassy with.
Flipped scarves.
Yes, that was really fun. But this is the only Razzle class in the United States, so we wanted to try it out and check it out. And I did not follow my butt. I think I missed every single step along the way. I was turning this way when they were turning that way, but it was a lot of fun, and I enjoyed it, and I sweat and burned off calories, and I think I'm never going to eat again.
It was a lot of fun. But I danced. Like, I'm not a natural dancer, but I danced. And
She didn't fall either.
I didn't fall either. Not even once. I also didn't turn in the right direction several times, but I didn't fall.
And the teacher was really cool. And the other
She said
people
we were naturals and pros.
Yes.
And she offered Devin to be able to actually become certified to teach it. So stay tuned for that one.
Not gonna happen. But it was fun, and we tried.
We
And
tried.
it was awesome.
We did.
And we will probably try Razzle again.
Yes.
We had a good time. Hope you all have a good night.